Hi, this is Dr. Scott Young with Hearing Solution Centers, and I want to talk to you about repairing your old hearing aids versus getting new ones. Now, this is a really straightforward conversation, but people ask this all the time, okay? The average lifespan of hearing aids is 4 to 7 years. Now, why would we say that? Well, there's a couple factors. Number one, if they're working, the breakdown can be an issue that keeps breaking down. And if something's broken, it's going to be gone. Secondly, it's your hearing loss that changes in your situation. So if you have a hearing loss change, your prescription might be so far down that the prescription can't keep up with it. And lastly, is it still working? I mean, is it broken? Is it crushed? Is the technology far behind the needs of your life situation? So those are the three things that you kind of think about with that. It's not trying to make hearing aids are not going to last forever. That's the dumbest thing in the world. Don't even ask me that kind of stuff. It's not the case. The reality is 4 to 7 years, and it depends upon your hearing. Now, if you've had strokes and other issues that have been going on or very heavy sicknesses, you're probably going to replace the hearing aids closer in that 4-year range. If you don't have those changes and everything's about the same and your hearing technology is working pretty well, stay with it. Doesn't hurt my feelings. We don't worry about that. But we want you to have that good understanding. So when you think about the technology, be calm, okay? The reality is that we're looking to make sure, and it should be tested at least one to two times a year, or once every year or two, okay? You should be tested to find out what's going on. Normally, we do hearing aids that have a 3-year warranty. And with that 3-year warranty, by the time the end of the 3-year warranty comes up, we try to talk to you about extended warranties. If you don't want to, no problem at all. Okay, don't worry about it. But at 4 years, you do need to be starting to think about the new technology. And it always is like this. I'm looking for my phone here, but on your iPhone, if you have something on your iPhone and you're not doing very well, you have to get a new phone. Okay, maybe the technology is not staying up there. It's not working anymore. Okay, and I had a guy that came in. He had I want to say an iPhone 3. I mean, this sucker is like 12 years old. And I was like, man, that's just too old. And he goes, well, I don't throw you away because you're too old. I'm like, dude, come on. Come on. When technology doesn't work anymore, you do have to replace it. Okay, so that is an issue. But it needs to be on a need basis. We must go on a need basis. And that's what we do at Hearing Solution Centers. We're not going to sell you something new because there is something new out there all the time. Hey man, if you want to go waste your money on new technology, that's fine, but you're not going to get anything out of it. You don't run up to the new place because the guy said I need new technology every 2 years. That's stupid. Okay? If the technology works fine, then you don't have to worry about that. And the way that we know it is not just that it's working, that you're hearing and understanding. So we always do full evaluations, a full audiological evaluation to know what you're hearing, your understanding is, your processing ability, how your ability in noise situations. We test all that, and we test to see how your eardrum is working as well. So when we know that information, we have good understanding of why we would choose new versus old hearing aids. So this is a short video. I don't want to take too much of your time. I just want you to understand what goes on here. So go to see us at heartulsa.com, HEAR Tulsa.com. And we want to help you with your hearing, and you can kind of leave a message for us, or you can kind of see us on YouTube here and ask questions. We're happy to answer them. Thanks so much.